In this video, I will show you how to make an announcement section on Shopify. First, you have to take a screenshot of any announcement section in a reference site. Then go to Gemini, upload it, and write a command like, can you make a professional Shopify announcement section like that CSS command? And a normal text as your own language. Okay, so send. And then Gemini will show the CSS command. You scroll down and here is it. Here is the CSS command. You have to copy the full code from here and go to the store section and edit theme. Okay, so then you have to create here, hide the, I did before that. So I create a new section, click another and generate AI and then paste the command here. Then it will be automatically processing, so we need to wait some times to process it. Yeah, you can see and there is loading and the AI automatically doing SEO. So this is a very important part for us because AI did everything for us. So it's very easy for make a section like that. Okay, so it's going on, maybe on minute. Okay, finalize up. Yeah, here is it. Here is the full announcement for our store. Exactly same to same. I was screenshot and take command from Gemini. So here is it. And then you can customize from here any text, color combination, font, size, and everything. Every default section will be here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the process. So you can do anything like that. Then save it and check for to another browser or the full domain name. Look at that, the exactly same to same the screenshot.